Here we have another lovely wedding gown. It's a nice roomy gown for me. Got all this train back here. Trying to figure out what to do with it all. Show a little leg. Cindy, of course, wants to hack off the train. She wants to hack them all off. Just cut them all off, make them short. But no, I say, no! Sorry, a little action, drama. I don't do well when I'm on film. So, Cindy has an idea, actually. Show us how it's done, Cindy.
Well, I was thinking about those Indian boys with those white pants. Okay, grab that.
Well. Alrighty.
Pull it up and tuck it in.
Pop that there. And there you have it, a hikeable wedding gown. Check it out. You can dance in it. One more to hang on the done side.